Hi everybody, my name's Nicole and today we're going to be going through how to open up our MetaMask wallet. So here we are on my computer. There's a lot of fake and scammy wallets out there, so we're just going to make sure that we're installing the correct one. We're going to go to Twitter and we're going to type in MetaMask. You see the one with the blue tick? That's the one we want. So there's 371,000 followers. You can follow them if you want to. And then click on their website, metamask.io. So here we are on the website. We're going to go to download now. And the supported browsers are Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. And you can install it on iOS or Android. But we're going to install it for Brave. So we'll click on Install MetaMask for Brave. And then we'll add to browser. Okay, so we're going to make sure it's the one with over 10 million users and 2,000 reviews. And click Add to Brave. And add extension. This should take about 20 seconds to install. Then this page will pop up. The little fox head will be following your mouse around. Whee! And click on Get Started. So if you're new to MetaMask, this is where you would create a wallet. And if you already have one, this is where you will import it. So we're going to create a new wallet. And then this bit's up to you. We're going to go with no thanks. And create a secure password. So this password prevents people from accessing your wallet if they have your computer or device. Click I've read and agreed to the terms. And create. Now, if you're new to crypto, I would definitely recommend watching this video. It's a really fantastic video that MetaMask have put up to help you secure your wallet. After watching the video, click Next. So now you're going to get your secret recovery phrase. So you click on the padlock to unlock it. This is my secret recovery phrase for this wallet. Some people call this a seed phrase or even a private key. It's really important that you keep this safe. If you lose this, you will not be able to access your funds. If someone else gains access to this, they will be able to access your funds and all your funds will be gone. The only reason I'm showing you this is because it's a tutorial, but I would never ever show this to anyone. So copy this and save it somewhere safe. If you decide to write it down, make sure you triple check it so that every word is correct and in the right order. Click Next. A lot of wallet companies assume you already understand how important a secret recovery phrase is. However, MetaMask makes you take one extra step, where it makes you put all the words in the correct order to assume you've saved it safely. Good work, MetaMask. So we're just going to put the words in the correct order. Now, if you get it in the wrong order, you can drag it. So we're just going to drag it and switch it around. When everything's in the right order, it will say confirm. If we have it wrong, it won't let you proceed. Congratulations, we're all done. So now we're going to add our MetaMask to our toolbar. So go up to the jigsaw puzzle piece, find MetaMask, pin it, and there we go. By default, we're connected to the Ethereum network, and I want to connect us to the Polygon network. So we need to go to a new page. We're going to chainless.org. I will post the link in the description. So we're going to go to search networks. We're going to type in Polygon and we're going to Polygon mainnet. Connect wallet, add to MetaMask and approve. Connect wallet, add to MetaMask and approve. And switch network. Now we go into our MetaMask. And we're on the Polygon network. It was originally called Matic, but they changed it to Polygon. So if you get confused, don't worry, they're the same thing. And that's how you set up your MetaMask wallet. In the next video, I'll be going over how to deposit funds into your wallet.